Hey there, wonderful viewers, and a warm welcome back to Zaytube. It's Zay, your companion on this delicious voyage. Foodies, brace yourselves for an unparalleled culinary adventure. Envision bustling markets, fragrant street corners, lively food stalls. We're about to dive into a world of flavors waiting to be discovered. We're about to dive into a smorgasbord of global street food delights, each with its unique tale to tell. Today, we're embarking on a Street Bites world tour, exploring the flavors, aromas, and stories behind global street food. Buckle up for a culinary adventure of epic proportions. First stop, the bustling streets of Tokyo. Here, a symphony of sizzling sounds and tantalizing scents beckons us to a street food staple, takoyaki. These savory, octopus-filled delights are a culinary icon, representing a delectable fusion of tradition and flavor. Each takoyaki ball is expertly crafted, with a crispy exterior giving way to a soft, molten core that cradles a tender piece of octopus. But takoyaki isn't just about taste, it's a cultural symbol, a testament to Tokyo's vibrant street food scene, and the city's love for innovative yet comfortingly familiar flavors. So whether it's your first taste or a nostalgic bite, the experience of savoring takoyaki is a captivating culinary journey. The taste of these octopus-filled delights is truly unforgettable. Next, we're strolling through vibrant Bangkok's night markets. A pulsating symphony of sizzling woks and enticing aromas beckon us. Here, every corner is a culinary revelation. The star of the show, the beloved pad thai. This stir-fried noodle dish is a melody of sweet, sour, and spicy notes, a testament to Thailand's gastronomic prowess. But there's more. The mango sticky rice, a dessert that marries sweet mangoes with glutinous rice drenched in coconut milk, is a textural and flavorful delight. And let's not forget the myriad of unique Thai snacks, from crispy insects for the daring, to sweet coconut pancakes for the dessert lovers. The flavors of Bangkok's night markets are as vibrant as the city itself. Now let's experience the bustling street food scene in Seoul. You can't wander far without running into a kimbap stand. These seaweed-wrapped rolls, reminiscent of sushi, are a staple in Korean street food. With a plethora of ingredients like marinated beef, pickled radish, and fresh vegetables, each bite offers a symphony of flavors. But kimbap isn't just about the ingredients. It's about the craftsmanship that goes into each roll. Every ingredient is meticulously placed, the rice is evenly spread, and the roll is tightly wound before being sliced into bite-sized pieces. This attention to detail is what makes every kimbap unique, a culinary masterpiece in its own right. Kimbap is a testament to the richness of Korean street food culture. We're heading to Mexico next to savor the flavorful street corn elote. This iconic snack is a staple at street food stalls across the country. Imagine a freshly grilled ear of corn, hot off the grill, slathered with a creamy layer of mayo. It's then rolled in a mix of cotija cheese, giving it a salty kick. The final touch? A sprinkle of chili powder, a squeeze of tangy lime, and a handful of chopped cilantro for an added burst of freshness. The result is a symphony of flavors and textures in every bite. From the sweet and juicy kernels to the creamy, spicy, and tangy toppings. Each mouthful is a testament to the joy of Mexican street food. Elote's irresistible combination of flavors is the essence of Mexican street food. Next, we're exploring the streets of Brazil to discover the savory delight of coxinha. This popular Brazilian street snack is a dream come true for chicken lovers. Coxinha, meaning little thigh in Portuguese, gets its name from its unique shape resembling a chicken drumstick. The process starts with a dough made from chicken broth, which is then filled with a creamy chicken mixture. After being shaped into the iconic drumstick, it's coated with breadcrumbs and deep-fried to golden perfection. Variations of coxinha include cheese-filled ones, and in some parts of Brazil, you might even find them filled with shrimp or ground beef. No matter the filling, one thing remains constant: the delight in every bite. Coxinha's crispy exterior and creamy filling are a match made in street food heaven. Our journey takes us next to Argentina for an empanada feast. With roots dating back to Spain, empanadas have become a beloved staple in Argentinian cuisine. These pocket-sized pastries are filled with a variety of ingredients, each one telling a different story of regional flavor. In the north, you might find empanadas filled with spicy beef, raisins, and olives, a nod to the region's arid climate and cattle-raising heritage. Head towards Patagonia, and you'll discover empanadas filled with lamb, a testament to the region's vast sheep farming. And let's not forget the coastal regions where seafood empanadas reign supreme. It's fascinating how one dish can reveal so much about a country's culture and geography. With their variety of fillings, empanadas truly encapsulate the diverse flavors of Argentina. Now let's immerse ourselves in the streets of Italy for some authentic street pizza. Just imagine the intoxicating aroma of fresh dough baking in a wood-fired oven, the sizzle of locally sourced toppings, all blending together on a canvas of molten cheese. The beauty of Italian street pizza lies in its simplicity and the quality of ingredients. From the basics like margherita and marinara to more adventurous varieties topped with prosciutto, arugula, or even truffle oil, there's a flavor for every palate. The artisanal process of crafting these pizzas, kneading the dough, spreading the sauce, sprinkling the cheese and adding the toppings, is a dance performed by skilled pizzaiolos. The love and craftsmanship that goes into each pizza is truly a testament to Italy's food culture. Next, we're wandering through the charming streets of Paris for a crepe adventure. Ah, Paris, the city of love and crepes. These thin, golden pancakes are as versatile as they are delicious. You can find them filled with a myriad of sweet and savory delights, from the classic combination of Nutella and strawberries to the more traditional ham and cheese. But what makes a crepe truly Parisian is not just the filling, but the art of its creation. Watching a crepe maker expertly pouring, spreading and flipping the batter on their specialized griddle is a spectacle in itself. Each movement is a practiced ballet, resulting in a perfectly cooked, delicately folded masterpiece. French crepes are a delightful blend of simplicity and sophistication. Finally, we're exploring the vibrant street food scene of Turkey with a focus on kebabs. Kebabs are more than a quick bite in Turkey. They're a celebration of flavors and tradition. Let's dive into the world of succulent meats, marinated to perfection and grilled over open flames. From the popular Adana kebab, packed with fiery spices, to the juicy Urfa kebab, there's a variety to satisfy every palate. And let's not forget the accompaniments, the fresh, crisp salads, warm pita bread, and a dash of tangy yogurt sauce that elevate each bite. The combination of these elements creates a symphony of flavors that dances on the tongue. The rich flavors of Turkish kebabs are a perfect end to our street food adventure. What a delicious journey it's been, exploring street food from around the world. We've savored the delights of Tokyo, Bangkok, Seoul, Mexico, Brazil, Argentina, Italy, France, and Turkey. We're grateful for these diverse culinary experiences. Don't forget to subscribe for more culinary adventures and share with us your favorite street food memories or suggestions for future street food destinations. Until next time, keep exploring.